Alright guys, so today we're going to be basically building the header for the WordPress theme, and we're going to be using the block editor basically over here. So if you don't know how to access this, all you need to do is just go into the appearance and then editor. Alright, so just select the editor. So we just need to find the plus button over here. Let's select. If you search header, you're not gonna really find a header unless like I defined this one. This was an old one, so we can create something like this one, right? But I'm gonna create a new navigation for now. So navigation, all right, and just add in this navigation anywhere for now. You can just align it later. Okay, so I just need to bring this to the top. Yep, and that is pretty much it. So let me actually edit the navigation itself and show you how you guys can create something like this. Alright, so navigation, not the page list. Alright, so I'm just gonna go back. Yep, and I'm just gonna add in the site logo first. Okay, and then yes, next to it I'm just gonna add in the page list. Cool. Alright, so let's just resize this. And that looks fine for now. We can save this. Right, and just make sure also as well that this works on mobile. Yep, so the menu works on mobile as well. Of course, you can change this to your required styling. And let's say we want to actually save this. All right, so if you want to save it and save it actually to the theme, we can use the create block theme and then save changes. And what that is basically gonna do, this is basically you can just gonna export the theme and overwrite it with your old theme. So this is just basically the same thing as just exporting and replacing your old files with the new ones. So we're just gonna save these changes. The editor will now reload, and let's also check out for the parts. For the parts right now, we still do not have the file over here. Why is that? Because we still also did not create a template part for that header, so we can do that, and we can also create a pattern for it. So let me show you how you can do that. Alright, so let's say for example you want to create a pattern, so you can just create template part like over here. You can call it whatever you want. If it's a general thing, if it's a header or footer, you can just select header and then name it whatever you would like. You can just name it main headers or header or navigation menu, whatever you want to call this. And basically what this is going to do is that you can call this template part wherever you would like. And also we can save this like I said, and just make sure to save the changes in the create block theme plugin. Alright, so if we go to parts, as you can see there's a new change over here, and here's the new main header. It's just referencing to the WordPress block. That is basically all there is to it in the code. You can create your own one if you want to. You can create like a header.html where you can add in your own like WordPress syntax comment coding, but I usually use this editor, which is fine enough for a task like this. Alright, so I'll see you guys in the next video. We're going to be creating a pattern, and we're also going to be creating the footer and in the video after that we're going to be creating the home.html. So I'll see you guys in the next video. This was Angry Video, and peace, you guys.